It only seems natural to progress from living on the road full-time to buying a cabin in the woods. The simplicity of truck camping pairs perfectly with the peacefulness of A-frame living. While we didn't purchase this property, it does make us wonder what it would be like to have a home base someday. Until then, we spend the weekend relaxing on the water and celebrating Amelia. Welcome to Living Large Camping. Surprise!
He's so cute!
There's our home for the weekend.
You got me good.
So tomorrow is Amelia's 26th birthday, and we didn't really know where we were going to be for it, so I went online and found this little A-frame cabin for pretty cheap, and it's got a great little view. It's right on the water. It's going to be a good couple days.
It's so cute! I'm shocked.
So this is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. I let it slip somehow. So this is 27.
This is like the ultimate surprise. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so cute!
And celebration weekend begins now.
Eee. Cheers to that.
Cheers, 26. This is such a cute cabin, and this spot right here is so peaceful. But we're gonna enjoy this night and just kind of take it in, use a real kitchen to cook a meal for once, and just celebrate Amelia for the night.
Why, thank you.
How's your birthday morning?
Very peaceful. As you can hear, there's a lot of birds chirping, some roosters, and a little bit of rain. Very nice.
The This little A-frame cabin is located west of Columbia, South Carolina. It's right on one of the little arms of Lake Murray. It seems like a really pretty lake. We drove by some cool marinas and houses with neat docks and stuff like that, so hopefully we can get to check some of that out later. Because of the lifestyle that we live, it's hard to buy things that we don't absolutely need for birthdays and Christmas and stuff like that. So it took me a while to figure out what to get her this year. I had this idea in mind, and thankfully it just happened to work out on our route, so I could kind of keep it hidden from her. I think we're going to take the canoe out later, so hopefully that's going to be a nice little adventure there. If you want to wish Amelia a happy birthday, go ahead and leave that in the comments below, or just simply hit the like button. It helps our videos out tremendously, and it lets her know that you all are thinking about her on her special day. Now it's time to make some breakfast while she finishes up taking a shower.
Good morning.
Before we get too far into our day, we wanted to give you a quick look at this tiny A-frame cabin that we're staying in. It's a great location. This spot is super peaceful, but let's show you inside.
It is a really cute layout, but it definitely would be difficult to live in here full time. It is the perfect weekend getaway. So let's show you guys what it looks like. So when you first walk in, there is just a little kitchen along with the fridge. And if you do notice, my favorite feature is the air fryer.
It's got a little futon style bed here that was a couch whenever we first walked in. This is the main sleeping area, but it is a little bit small. I'm 6'2", and my feet hit the floorboards whenever I was sleeping last night. So if it was something that we had, it would definitely be a little different here. And if you thought this was small, there is another bedroom upstairs that sleeps one person that's even smaller. Let's go check it out.
So it would fit one person perfectly, but definitely not two. There are also two windows on either side, so you get a really good cross breeze, and it's just a good cozy space to hang out and look out the window and enjoy your view. And then of course I have to give you guys a little bathroom review of this itty bitty bathroom. So as you can see, it's pretty small, but it has everything that you need. Even the shower is pretty big. I would give it a 9 out of 10. I'm only docking 1 point because it runs out of hot water really fast, but that's it. It's pretty perfect.
Hi. What's up? We're already used to a small kitchen, so that's nothing new to us there, but it is really nice to have a grill outside. We made some pork chops last night, and then we're going to use it again tonight, a little later on. The owners of this place were nice enough to leave us their canoe and kayaks for us to use, so we're going to go explore this area on a canoe in a little bit.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden,
Ready?
golden, golden things. Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I follow the golden.
Very peaceful. The last time we were on a canoe was in upstate New York, and it just feels so relaxing. We got on the canoe because we figured we'd have it for a little cocktail cruise. What do you think?
I think it's almost beer o'clock. It's warm out here today. It's like
It
85
is warm.
degrees, lots of sun. Water feels nice though.
The water feels very refreshing. Barkley wants to jump right in. Bark, do you see any fishies? See any? So where we are staying is on a smaller pond or cove, and there's a bridge that we have to go under to get to the bigger lake called Lake Murray. It looks pretty low, so we'll see if we can fit under it. That's what we have to get under.
The right side looks like a little bit. Oh yeah.
Gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden.
Just cruising under a bridge.
I follow only golden, golden, golden things.
So that's how that was gonna work. You having a good time, Barky? Hey. Here's a beer. Fantastic day. Happy birthday.
Cheers, guys. I would call this a perfect birthday. Thanks.
Thanks for letting me relax with you.
Thanks for celebrating with me. Here we go. Watch your head. We did it.
That was an amazing way to spend this afternoon. The weather was really nice. The water was pretty calm until it got windy there at the end. But overall, just a great day, I'd say.
Perfect day. We relaxed in the morning, had coffee, and then we got to canoe. So it was a win. Great birthday.
Now we're gonna cook a really yummy meal. We picked up some steaks at the store yesterday. We haven't had them in a while. And then we've got some potatoes and some broccoli to go with that. So we're gonna be using the grill tonight and the air fryer.
Woo!
It's like we're living in a house.
Cheers. Love you.
like a great meal. It's very nice to use a grill. That's something we definitely miss on the road. We don't have space for one in our truck camper. So of course, whenever we come to a place like this, we're gonna use it.
And this is what I would call a perfect evening. We're just having a really nice dinner with some wine and an absolutely gorgeous view. It is flat, peaceful, so we're gonna enjoy it. You enjoyed this style video. I was definitely so surprised for my birthday and I absolutely loved it. It was a very cute getaway and very peaceful.
We always throw around the idea of doing an off-grid cabin somewhere, and every time we drive by a little A-frame, we talk about how cute they are. So whenever I found this and it was available for her birthday, it was a no-brainer. I think it was a great way to escape from the larger campgrounds that we've been staying at the past few weeks, and just a nice time to reset and enjoy beautiful view of the lake.
The view in the canoeing is unmatched.
Thank you all again so much for watching and supporting our lifestyle here. Feel free to wish Amelia a happy birthday in the comments below, and we will see you next video.
Well, thank you guys, and thanks for watching.
Hope you have a large day.